It is so hot. Holy.
See, this is, you show this is
Huh?
I wrote that, Nisha showed you, this is
What am I saying? What is it?
the digital building.
Guys, the Digicel? What did you sell?
The building, this is a building, what is
Oh,
it? Yeah.
what is he talking about? Hold on, we're gonna go there. Ooh, Jesus. Derrick, you have warrant. When you should have Sonny hot boy. Oh, there's food here too.
Yeah.
Roy, give me one a piece. So what, you can't say so? Derrick, I'm coming to you very soon.
No, I told you, me say I walk, me don't know if you talk. Me I talk now.
We're gonna be like half an hour. We'll be by you like less than half an hour.
Yeah.
So I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, let me turn the camera. Hold on.
Maybe I need to.
Oh my God. So here's the 1 a.m.
Listen, you got glorious.
Leroy Queen, come from your mother.
Glorious.
What is Gloria?
I'm sure glorious.
We're going to Gloria.
Nisha, show me hotel, Rocks Hotel, the hotel, across this song.
See them upstairs?
Oh, that's a nice. That's the hotel you normally go to?
No, it's been so good.
No, me know it.
Oh shit, it's hot.
So much more.
Okay. So this is the. Also, this is where they say they wanna go. This is where they say they wanna go. Like oh, is this Devon's house?
No.
Oh shit, I see Devon's house ice cream. Oh okay.
I never know tonight. You want never know tonight.
I thought I was at Devon's house. Oh, so this is not. I'm at the restaurant.
You park on the bus them. Jam up King Street.
So we're at the Glorious Kitchen.
Yes. Shout yeah, King Street.
Okay, Hattie.
Yeah.
And this is the.
Nisha, tell me talk to her.
What were you saying?
Tell Nisha me talk to her. Tell Nisha me talk to her. Tell me drive King Street.
Let's go. It's too hot up here. We'll come back. It's not too hot, brother. No AC in the rest. It's nice though. Careful, boss. Derrick, block that person. Careful, boss. That person rude as a motherfucker. Block that person. What is that one? Yeah. Hold on, let's go. My money's in the car. Okay. How much is it? $13.
IQ in Jamaica.
You just have to come back. You just have to come back. My money's in the car. You have to come back. I think it's $13.50. I was about to say, whoa. That's, I don't know. Where we at?
I simply downtown Kingston. Simply downtown Kingston. They can't look straight out of the airport. Cross on this way there.
Want to send some gift for the uncle?
Yeah. Yeah, send some gift to Derrick. What's right up in your town, Derrick?
I'm up in a Derrick come. We're in a Derrick town right now.
In the downtown Kingston.
Welcome to
This is
our
downtown
beautiful
Kingston.
country.
We're in down. It's a really listen. Jamaica's a nice country though. It's big too. Very big. It's very big.
Hotel, there's a big rocks hotel they're looking at.